Alright, yeah, with this tutorial, yeah, we're gonna deal with questions regarding emergent situations. Okay, and let's, move on right away. The first question, okay, if the student doesn't show up, what should we do if the student doesn't show up?
2 to 3 minutes late, I should inform the Korean manager.
2 to 3 minutes late, okay.
Yes. I should inform my Korean manager, let him know that my student not in yet, and then I will wait for the feedback from the class manager.
Okay, what about you, Rich? Is this
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The teacher should always be ready at exactly like time. The time
On
starts.
time.
Yes, on time, and then should have to wait. It's okay, sir, for us to wait. The teachers should wait, but don't let your student wait for you. So in such what's this? In other situations, sir, like 2 or 3 minutes, your student is not yet in your class. So you can call, sir. You can call.
We can
Or
call them, right?
yes,
Directly
yes,
call
we can
them.
call
Okay.
them, or else, or if the phone is busy, let the managers know that your student is not yet around.
Okay. What happens if we did that, but the student doesn't receive our phone call, and the Korean manager doesn't respond to our message?
Yes,
What should we do?
If that
If
you
case,
have to wait
for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
After 15
Before you close
minutes,
your classroom.
you can close your classroom.
I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after doing that, we have to report.
Check the attendance of your student. Click the absent.
And we have to notify this situation to Korean managers again, right? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have to do so. Okay. Next question. Skype. How do we utilize this?
Okay, utilizing the Skype is we have to log in using our Korean managers' IDs, and then we can call our students through their phone home.
Home phone, right?
Yeah,
The
home phone,
digit
not their
starts
cell
with
phone.
yes. And the home
07.
phone should be based on internet. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Those numbers will start with this digit,
Yes, sir.
070.
070.
Okay.
Sir, question, only 070? How about the 02?
02.
Do
I'm
you
not
have
quite so
02?
sure.
Not internet based.
Some phones might be based on internet, but some are not. But if as you let me know yesterday, if the Skype shows you not enough credit, the message appears. The reason that they require credit, based on that message, we can assume that this phone number is landline, not
Yes, sir.
internet
Not
connected
internet
one.
based.
Yes. So if that is the case, and no internet phone is available, the tutor, doesn't have to try to reach them through phone anymore. They just notify the situation to Korean managers. Okay, that would suffice. Okay, yes, this number is cell phone number.
Cell phones.
Exactly. And we don't call students,
Using
using
that
Skype
Yes, sir.
through this number. We don't do that. Okay. Let's move on. If the student doesn't show up and receive any phone call, what should we do? We already answered this question.
Yes, sir.
So let's move on.
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between advisor and operational manager? Okay. Actually, we have two kinds of managers, Korean managers here in Korean company. Could you, yeah, elaborate on this answer to this question?
Yes.
Okay.
So for education advisors, we have Sir two. We have Miss Kylie and then Sir JY.
Mm.
And then when we say education advisor, they handle students' problem, such as like if your student is always absent, or if your student doesn't participate well in your class, or if the student has some problems with the book.
Mm.
So immediately we can inform them.
Mm.
But when we say operational managers, they are more on technical problems. If you cannot hear your student very well, or if there is a problem between like the lines or connections, we can inform Sir Ray and Sir Derek. So these two are the operational managers.
Good. Thank you, Rich. I guess that's pretty much it. Yes. Well explained.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, Rich. Let's move on to our next question. We also answer this question, right?
Yes.
15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Tutors are required to wait until they close their classroom. Okay. Alright. Okay, if a problem with the student's computer is detected, what should we do?
We should inform our operational managers.
Operational managers immediately,
Yes.
right? Okay. What if you're not so sure if this problem, some kind of problem, originates to your computer or to the student's computer? If you're not so sure about that, what should you do? What should our tutors do?
Sir, we should ask our student to log in and then, log out and then log in, and then the tutor need to do the same. And then, if the problem is still the same, and then that's the time we could call our students through Skype, and then we could have the class through what they call this one, phone class.
Okay.
And additional, sir, if you're not really sure if the problem is with your computer or with your student's computer, we have ITs. We have, what's this? We have information technology. We have IT personnel. So immediately, if there is a problem, you can call the IT personnel and let him check your computer.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Call means,
yes,
well, Christian
yes, and
or
Marco.
Marco will be around all the time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
can ask them to help us out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question. What if the next day I'll be absent? Okay. I have to be absent tomorrow. I'm a tutor and I have to be absent tomorrow. If that is the case, should I individually contact our student and let them know about the situation? What should we do?
In my case, sir, if I would be absent, like tomorrow, I should inform the management first, not my students. And then my managers will be the one to contact the students.
Correct.
Not the opposite one.
Okay, right. There's no need for us to individually contact them and
Yes.
let the situation know. Maybe we can mention, right? If the student
Yes,
is
sir.
5 times a week student, we can maybe let the student know that, oh, some things happened and tutor might not be
Yes,
able
sir.
to come tomorrow, so we can explain that during the class, but we don't have to contact each student and let them know about the situation. Okay, that's clear then. Okay, next question. Okay. This part is already explained, right?
Answer. Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes.
we need to extend our class.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Until 28.
28.
Yeah. If there's a class
Yes.
right after the
Yes,
class.
sir.
Yes. Okay. And next question. Let's sum it up. That was it, I
Sum
guess.
it up. Yes, sir.
Alright. The first question was, doesn't show up. We have to call them using Skype, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If they don't answer, there's no response, we're gonna let the situation know. We can make our managers know about the situation. And after 15 minutes, we can close the classroom
And then mark
and
up
check it as an
students.
absent.
absent.
Exactly. Yes. And when we use Skype, we only call 707 or other internet-based phone number. Yeah, but 101, this is a cell phone number. We don't
Yes.
bother to call
Yes.
using this number, okay?
Yes, sir.
And this one is already answered. And advisor and operational manager. Rich, one more time, briefly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. For educational advisors, these are Miss Kylie and Sir JY. They handle the student's problem.
Okay.
But if it has something to do with your with the technical problems, let us call Sir Ray and Sir Derek.
Mm.
So don't forget,
Okay.
who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Okay, sir.
Okay. And next question already answered.
Yes,
Student,
sir.
tutor needs to wait for 15
Yes.
minutes. And if a problem is detected in the part of our student's computer, we're going to let our operational managers know about the situation, right?
Yes.
But
Yes,
if there's
sir.
a problem with our tutor's computer, we're going to let our IT personnel in the office immediately so we can help from them. Okay. And if I have to be absent tomorrow, we have to let our managers know about that, right? We don't
Yes, sir.
contact our students individually and let them know about it. We don't do that. Okay? Alright. And this one is also answered. We have to extend the class accordingly. Alright, okay, that was it regarding the emergent situations happening during the class. Right. Thank you again.
Okay, sir.
We're gonna
Bye,
meet
sir.
again in another tutorial
Okay, sir.
video. Okay.
Okay,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye-bye, sir.